Hello friend, this is your sister Magic and welcome to another video on the Pragmatic Nook. Today we're gonna talk about how do you start in witchcraft and why this is the question I hate most, because which one? Every time I see this question on the internet or somebody ask me this question, I ask them which one, because there is a lot of witchcrafts around and there is a lot of paths you can walk in this craft. So I have my notebook here so I don't forget anything, but the point is, when you want to start in witchcraft, you probably didn't want to start in witchcraft because times happen when you are just living your life and weird things starts to appear to you. In my case, that was blackbirds everywhere. I live around an area in the time when I was 20 that blackbirds wasn't the birds you saw around, and I started to see these birds again and again and again, and I wasn't consuming nothing on witchcraft at the time. Actually, I thought that I was either an atheist or agnostic because I hadn't found a belief for me yet. I was just living my life and I was like, okay, I think I believe in something, but not that something that people go to church and maybe that God exists and all, but it's not for me. And then I started to see a lot of these blackbirds around, and I found that weird. And I wasn't consuming witchcraft and watching people talk about witchcraft on the internet. TikTok wasn't a thing yet. In that moment, I wasn't on TikTok. People were not talking about witchcraft on Instagram. Maybe people were on YouTube, but not that much how it is today. People wrote blogs back then, and then I googled, I'm seeing a bunch of blackbirds. What's the spiritual meaning behind it? And that's how I fell into Wicca. And when you Google or you found information from other people like me or other witches around the internet, you may think that their word is law. But if someone is talking as their word is law, just run. That's a red flag. Because there's a lot of different kinds of witchcraft. So when you want to start, you feel pulled, you feel called to start in witchcraft. First of all, you don't go asking, how do I start in witchcraft? Because that doesn't make sense. We have chaos magic, green witches, people who works with deities. We have a lot of paths you can walk. We have Nordic, we have Druidism, we have, what more can I think? Wicca. Wicca, probably when you Google something, you're gonna fall into a blog about Wicca because they kinda is the biggest, uh, the more loud people on the path. But probably, maybe Wicca is not for you. That was not for me. I walked the path for about a year and I was like, that's not it. It's not sticking with me. So when you want to start in witchcraft, you have to ask yourself, which one? Where are you gonna go? Do you want to work with deities? Do you want to worship only the nature? Do you want to do both? You don't want to follow rules? And for committing to a path. When I just started, I fell into Wicca because that was the information that was around, more easy to find. And before and after that, I just was jumping around paths to see, oh, I like this one, I don't like this one, oh, I like working with these deities specific, oh, these deities claim me specific, oh, I like this practice, but I don't want to be in this exact path. I started working with deities from day one, and I was actually claimed by a path, but before I committed to the path, I decided to just explore, be curious, and find by myself what exactly was gonna stick with me and what exactly I was gonna put into my daily life. And that's how I came up with the practical magic and the everyday magic that I do today. Before walking all these paths and following all the rules that are reading everywhere from other practitioners, I was like, okay, I can walk my own path now. The thing is, witchcraft is not a religion. Wicca is a religion. That's for another video, but following the tips and the thing people say you have to do, it's nice in the beginning, but eventually, if you're not into a religion, you have to write your own path. You have to be. Oh, my battery is dying. You have to walk your own path and write your own path and be autonomous and choose for yourself what you want to do with this practice. Because if you don't choose, you will be always following another person. And if you want to follow another person, that's fine too. But I think for me, witchcraft is about freedom and choosing what you want to do with this power you just unleashed. So it's choosing to enchant your tea in the morning, it's choosing to use the water from the bath to clean yourself, it's choosing to enchant your makeup and put it on with intention, because witchcraft and magic is about intention. It's not about something written in a book. Books are great. I have some to share with you if you are interested in it, but they are not rules. They are paths someone walked before that you can walk too, but you don't have to walk the same path someone walked before you. I think it is it for today. a really short video. I just wanted to put it out so you can reflect and talk for yourself on what witchcraft you want to live and put into your daily life. So comment below if you have tips for new witches, or if you are a new witch, comment below if you have questions so I can make another videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and stick around that I have more to come. See you in the next time. Bye.